Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very important video that I've been meaning to make for like at least a month, but I've been like so busy trying to fix this problem that I haven't been doing YouTube videos, which is why like last week video was posted like within a 3-week span from the other one. So I'm just trying to like get all of my videos out now before this decision is made. I don't know, maybe I should do my intro again, so let's do that. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, I am here with another, like, I don't think I've ever done a life update. I think I've done like a few like YouTubes, like chit chat, just like talking about my life, but this one is really serious and I feel like it's gonna affect my life moving forward. Like, it's something that's affecting me for a minute now. First, let me explain like my situation. Everybody, I don't know if you know, but a lot of people know who've been watching my videos before know that I live in Berlin, Germany, but I'm American. I'm born and raised in Memphis, and I decided like after graduating college that I wanted to move to Berlin. So I did that. And the thing is, like, I was coming back and forth to Berlin because I was studying. Like, I had a professor who brought me here like 2014, and then 2016 I came and I studied like for 6 months, and then I met my boyfriend Oken. Like, if you guys have seen him on the channel before. Yeah, so that happened, and then fast forward 2017 at the end of graduation, I was like, okay, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my life. I went back to work in Memphis for 3 months, like where I'm born and raised, where I'm from, and then I was like, you know what? I want to go to Berlin. So then I picked up and moved to Berlin, and then I luckily got a 1 year, a year and a month visa. So with that being said, my year and a month is technically over. Like, my visa ends on October 25th, and I think this video will be up on the 21st, I think. Don't know. But it might go up before that. I have no idea. Like, it just depends on how I'm feeling, because I'm really trying to like get these videos out before that happens. But yeah, so I have a visa for a year and a month, and now that it's time to renew it, I'm stuck. Like, I was like, okay, I thought a year in Berlin would be enough for me and that I'd be happy to go home after a year, but now I'm just like, okay, wait, I've actually built a life here. I've made connections here. And I don't have that at home right now. Like, I have my family and I have friends like scattered everywhere. So it's just like, what do I do? So I'm at this point where it's a little tricky to try and renew my visa at this point, because I have like a week, less than a week and a half to figure it out, and there's still some things that I have to figure out on my end and if it's possible to do in order to get the visa renewed. But if I decide to do it and I get the visa, I thought that it would make more sense to go home anyway, simply because in Berlin, like, you can make the money, but like everybody here is always on a budget, and I don't want to do that anymore. I kind of want to go to the States, make the money, and be able to save and live comfortably for a little bit, and then maybe try and come back. Maybe. Not saying I will, but maybe. But I don't know if I'm even ready to do that yet, because I'm just like, because I've been living in Berlin for so long, I feel like I've grown accustomed to the culture here, and I know like how things work. But in the States, that's a little different, because I haven't been back since I left Memphis. Like, I haven't been back to the States, haven't visited for holidays, like haven't gone back for anything. Like, I've traveled around Europe since I've been in Berlin, but I haven't been back to the States. And it's like, imagine like looking at your country, living in a different country, and being like, wow, I don't even know my home anymore. You know? And so I'm at that point where I feel that, and it took me this long to like get accustomed to German culture and like living in Europe in general, and imagine what it's going to be like for me to like integrate back into that. And so that's really what's messing up my head, is like I'm so afraid, but I feel like I'm afraid of nothing, because it's my home. Like, I know what it's gonna feel like when I get there. Of course I'm gonna be fine, but it's like the irrational thinking in the back of my head is like, girl, what are you getting yourself into? Like, But yes, that's where I'm at, and that's what I'm dealing with right now. And it's actually really stressful because sometimes I'm like so happy to go. I'm like, yes, like I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to eat the food. I can't wait to be with people that I haven't seen like in a year. And then sometimes I think about it and I'm like, wow, this is a bad idea of going back. Or like, oh my God, like what are you doing? Why would you want to go back? Like you have such a good life here. And it's just like, head explodes. So like I'm on like this like scale of weighing like what's better for me, and I still don't know. And I have so little time, but at this point I'm feeling like maybe I need to go. Maybe it'd be good for me, but at the same time in the back of my head I know like I have no idea. That's the problem. I don't know. But this week I'm trying to get my documents together to see like what'll happen if I just go and give them my documents and they look over it. But it's just like I have not had an easy experience with the immigration office here. Like the first time I'm trying to get my visa was it was good, but like the last time when I tried to renew it, my visa before this video, it was just like I didn't have one form and she like sent me away. But that's my experience. I don't know about anybody else's experience. I don't want to speak for anybody else, but that was me. So this is why I'm at where I'm at now. But anyway, I just want to also say like I commend any immigrant that has ever moved somewhere else for a better opportunity. Try not to tear up with this video because it's so emotional for me, because it really is gonna determine what I do next. And what I do next could be like, yes, we did it, or it could be like, wow, you know? And then I feel like also, I would feel like wow because I feel like honestly, I know going home won't be a setback, but for me, it would feel like that because it was like, wow, you really couldn't make it. But at the same time, like I said, like I really commend any immigrant or any refugee for that matter that's moved to a different country and have no idea like what's going on, no connections, don't know anybody, and have made something out of nothing. Like, and it's funny because I made those connections like at the end, like maybe at the 8-month mark of me being here, I finally made connections that were worthwhile and that was going to help me. And now it's like, now I have those connections that people can help me. It's like, it's almost too late and I can't use it. So yeah, my voice is cracking, y'all. But yeah, so it's like really hard because I would like to stay, but at this point it's not up to me. It's up to like the immigration office, like obviously. And we all know, like, y'all don't all know how that goes, but for people who have moved from country to country, like it is hard. And even if you do have things like that you need and everything is in order, it's still up to their discretion. Like it's up to whoever's looking over your case to be like, okay, you can stay, or oh no, like you can go, like you need to go. So yeah, that's where I'm at. And I think the hardest part for me at this moment is that I live with my boyfriend and I've been with him for like a year and some months now, like living together, but we've been together for 2.5 years at this point, and it's like we've done long distance before and it was hard. And the thing is like we got to see each other in between, but like we saw each other like between 7 months at a time, like every time we saw each other after we had met the first time. So yeah, that was hard, and I don't know like if I want to do it again, because at this point, like if I leave Germany, like I don't have a return date. Like each time that I left, I knew, okay, I'm gonna be back, I'm gonna do this, but at this time there's no return date. I don't know what's gonna happen to me at this point, so it's just like that's a little scary to think about. But I have a couple options. I'm trying to keep you guys updated. Like this is a really, really hard decision for me to make. And I still feel like even if I get the visa, like I should go home to like kind of get a perspective and like what I should do and not where I should be, but like what I should do, like as far as staying in Berlin a little bit longer, or even just moving somewhere else in the States and finding somewhere like that I can call home. Like at this point, Berlin is home to me, and I don't know if I can call another city home so quickly, but it would be good to like start fresh. But at the same time, Like, it's so scary. And this is why this freaks me out, is because I've never been scared to just get up and go in my life. But I guess it's because, like, I've invested so much time and energy and invested so much in, like, building relationships with people in Berlin. And now it's like I've gotten to a point where it's really good. I don't want to leave it. And so, yeah, like, I think I will be disappointed I have to go. But at the same time, it's not up to me. Like I said, at this point, it's somebody else's hands. So, yeah. Whew. It's out there. It's out there into the world. We're going to see what the universe does for me. But, yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day. And I don't know. Catch you in the next video. I think it's going to be a boyfriend tag because I obviously have to do it before all of this happens if I leave, because I won't be able to do this anymore. So, yeah, be looking forward to more Oakland on the channel until we get everything sorted or we figure out what's going to happen with me. But, yeah, I'm going to go to work now, or prepare to go to work. I know it's so late in the day, but I'm going to prepare to go to work and try to have a good day. All right, guys. See you next time.
I remember